Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So in today's video we are going to be making some delicious banana buns. So if you are interested, keep watching and let's get started. So for this recipe I'll be using banana. As you can see, I have two bananas here. I'm going to be using 1.5 of this banana. So I'll go ahead and blend the banana into a very smooth paste. But before I do, I'm going to be adding sugar, salt, then I'll blend it into a very smooth paste, then I'll set it aside for later. So the next step, I'm going to be saving my all-purpose flour. I'll be using 500 grams of all-purpose flour for this recipe. I'll add nutmeg, powdered milk, baking powder, and I'll make sure I mix everything together. So now I'm going to be adding the butter, and I'll make sure I mix the butter with the flour together until I achieve a texture like a breadcrumbs. So after doing that, I'll set it aside. I'm going to be whisking 1 egg, so now I will make a well in the middle of the flour. I will add all the wet ingredients. I'm going to be adding the water bit by bit because I don't want the batter to be too light or rather too hard. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like the video, share it with your friends and family, and please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that. That is just the only way you have to support this channel. Thank you so much. So guys, as you can see, I've added a little water again. I'm just going to mix it until I achieve consistency just like the way you are seeing it here. This one is not too hard, rather too soft. So now I'm just going to cover it with my plastic film, then I will leave it for about 10 minutes to rest a little bit. So while I'm waiting for the butter to rest, I'm just going to heat up my oil, and I'll be using vegetable oil for this recipe, but you can use any oil of your choice. So the oil is already hot. I'm going to be scooping the buns into the oil. I'm going to fry these buns for about 10 to 12 minutes. Guys, this buns was really delicious, and please let me know what you think in the comment section, and also let me know where you're watching me from. I really appreciate you all, guys. Thank you so much for always watching my video. So guys, make sure to flip the buns, and you want to fry your buns with a medium heat so that your buns will cook inside and outside. So as you can see, the buns is almost ready. I'm just going to take it out of the oil. So I'm going to be placing it in my paper napkin to absorb the excess oil. It's done, guys. This buns was really delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Please make sure to share my videos, subscribe, and I love you all, guys. I'll see you again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.